Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will going to learn about the boosting concept in machine learning, what it is actually. So let's get started. These are our contents. We will today cover these contents like introduction of boosting concepts, key concepts and why it is used, and general workflow, advantages, disadvantages and real world applications, and the interesting part of the video, that is interview questions. Let's start. So what is a boosting? In general we will talk boosting. It is a concept have a strong foundation of something, and boosting a energy in a general example. So this general topic involved in the machine learning, that is boosting. Okay, what it is, see, actually let's see. A technique in assemble training combines multiple weak learners to form a strong learners. Okay, there is a weak learners combination or collection through which using a boosting concept, it will make a strong learning foundation in a machine learning, widely used in a classification and regression task. As we have learned about the classification and regression. Classification, it is classifying the things, like animals were there. Animals under come classified into cats and the dogs. These concepts come under the classification. Regression, it means finding the prediction things like weather forecasting, house price prediction, etc. And reduces on reducing bias, focuses on reducing bias. Bias means any data is unusual in the data set, that comes under the bias. And these are the key concepts of the boosting in a machine learning. Weak learner, what it is actual mean, a model that performs slightly better than the random. Weak learner, it is a have the ability of less foundation of the working in the machine learning. Now sequential learning, what it defines, models are trained one after one, means the model 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. Okay, like this. First this model is completed the training session, after that this model will go to proceed further. After this model it will goes to train. After one by one it is have the one of the flow of the sequential training model. So that is the sequential learning. Error weights, each model focuses on the errors of the previous one, means if this model where goes to the training and it will have the error, due to finding this model error, it will learns to the further model, that is the learning weight. And here why it is used: improves the prediction accuracy. As you all know, machine learning is used also the prediction foundation. So this is the boosting is used to prediction, make a accurately product prediction in a machine learning. Works well on both structured and unstructured data. Structured and unstructured data, it means data set where there it have the sequential form of the data, it contains a good manner of structure, that is a structured data. Unstructured data have no labels, and have the some data have the labels and some data have not labeled. Such type of data contains structured and unstructured data. And also it helps to reduce the bias and variance, and also often performs better than the individual models. Okay, now general workflow, what is the workflow of boosting in machine learning? Train a weak learner, finding the weak data and train on it very strongly. After that measures its error. After training, have there any errors is occurring, it will finds. After that adjust the weights of the training, and adjusting the weights of the training, it will find the train the next model to focus on the errors. And it used to train a next model to focus on the errors. Okay, how much errors we will get, at that point we will have the chance to improve our model, okay, and combine all models for a final prediction. This will give a very good impact, combining all the models in one and give the final predictions. Here is the advantages, like giving the high accuracy of the prediction things, and handle different types of data like structured, unstructured data, and can capture complex patterns, have their own way of pattern recognition and finding the data into patterns, and giving the best of best outputs. And after that, supports features important analysis. Now these are the disadvantages. Can overfit it not regularized properly, sensitive to noise in the data, and slower training times, especially for the large data set. And these are the real world applications of the boosting in machine learning, like email spam detection, and predicting custom tones, and after image classification, while with using the decision tree and recommendation engine or recommendation system. Recommendation system is mostly used for the youtube.com application. Now here the mathematical behind the boosting. These mathematical concepts were involved in the boosting topic, like loss function, finding the, as we have earlier learned, that finding the difference between of predicted value and actual value. Predicted value and actual value finds the loss function between difference between both. And gradient descent, finding the peak point of the data set, that is the gradient descent. And these are the very interesting part of this video, that is interview questions. If you are trying to give a interview of technical interview, so this video will going to help you, and these interview questions will find you well to prepare for your interviews, like questions where they're boosting in machine learning, main goal of boosting, and what is a supervised and unsupervised learning technique in boosting. So I hope this video finds you well and helps you a lot. So like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a great day. Thank you.